Today, we will learn how to create a Meta business account. For this, first of all, we will open Facebook page and then go to the left side. Here you will see Meta Business Suite. After that, Meta Business Suite will be open. For creating a Meta business account, you have to connect just Instagram with the Facebook account here. After that, go to the left side and here you will see the brand name. Just click on it and there you will see a gear icon. Just click on it. Now this is Meta business account. Now here you can give access to your employees according to their work. After that, go to the left side and click on pages. Now here you can add a lot of pages according to your Meta business. After that, go to the left side and click on Instagram account. In the Instagram account section, you can add some of the Instagram accounts here. And now click on add account. The add account, we will run the ads for our business. So we will add any of the ad account here. After that, go below and click on data sources. Then click on datasets and pixels. Pixel is the thing to track the information on your account. Then click on domain. Domain is the only identity for your business. These all the things together is makes business Meta account. Thank you so much for watching this video.